What's up, party people, and welcome. Today we're going to be building a sorting system using 2 copper golems, as you can see behind me. We have these 8 sortable chests and 2 excess storage chests. And with that, let's get to the material list. For this build, you're going to need 51 decorative blocks, 12 decorative stairs, 1 decorative slab, 7 thin blocks, such as glass panes or iron bars or copper bars, 1 trapdoor, 22 chests, 5 hoppers, 1 comparator, 1 redstone lamp, 2 copper golems, and 2 optional signs. Let's get into it. You're going to need a 4x9 area that is 5 blocks tall. First, let's start with the frame. Place 9 blocks in a row like this and build 3 up on the edges. Next, go to the back and place blocks here to provide a floor for our storage chests. Go ahead and place a chest here and here, a lamp here, and then fill in the rest of the storage chests. You can now place a block here and here. Now, place 1 stair here and a block here. Then, fill in stairs on top of all of the storage chests on the front and on the back. It should look like this at the back. Now, let's build a floor for our copper golems. Remember to leave these 2 blocks open for the future chest. We can now place a temporary block here and feed hoppers into it, connecting the chest to the future copper chest. Now place a comparator here. You can now replace that block and place a stair here. Then build this up to the same height as the rest of the structure. You can now fill in this entire wall. It should look like this on both sides. Now, place hoppers feeding into these chests and an extra hopper. Now build up a wall and make a double chest on the wall and feeding into the hoppers. Now place a glass pane here and all the way across. Then place 1 quartz slab here. Now place a block here and 2 more stained glasses here and here. You can now fill in the rest of the wall. Finally, place 1 copper trapdoor here to prevent copper golems from coming up and escaping. To place your copper golems inside, place copper blocks here and place the pumpkins on top. Next, break the copper chests and replace them here and here. They should form a double chest, and now the copper golems can access it and sort all of the items. You can now place your signs here, labeling sorting in progress. And a sign here, labeling input chest. You are now ready to put your items inside the chest and let it be sorted. To set up your sorting system, place at least 1 of each item into the chests. This system can also sort non-stackable items, and it will also sort items that you did not put into the sorting system into these excess chests here. Once you have completely labeled and filled each chest, you can now empty all of your items into the chest, and it will flow into the copper chest for the copper golems to sort. The light should turn off as soon as they are done. Depending on how many items you put inside the system, it can take 6 to 7 minutes for all of the items to cycle through and the copper golems to sort it. For a disclaimer, this sorting system is not completely accurate. As you can see, 2 items were put in the wrong chest because the copper golems reached this chest before they reached any of the other chests, so they did not check the correct chest to put it inside. But as you can see, most of this was correct. Almost all of the items were sorted correctly.